In this video, you will see the versatility of heavy machinery, illustrated with a chainsaw, demonstrated in its ability to handle a variety of tasks, from felling towering trees to cutting wood with precision. Watch the entire video to see how it works. The JAK 300B tree cutting machine stands as a robust powerhouse in the forests of Finland. With an impressive cutting capacity, it efficiently tackles the dense Nordic woodlands, capable of felling approximately 300 trees per hour. Its durability and precision make it an essential tool in the forestry industry, adapting seamlessly to the challenging terrain of the Finnish landscape. The JAK 300B not only exemplifies efficiency, but also serves as a testament to the technological prowess driving forestry operations in Finland. The Komatsu 951 and C164, with its 291 horsepower engine, leads the way in timber cutting and harvesting. This powerful pair blends precision and efficiency, demonstrating the latest in forestry technology. With remarkable cutting and harvesting capacity, processing large timber volumes per hour, it stands as a dependable and high-performance solution in the forestry industry. The advanced features of the Komatsu 951 and C164 make them indispensable tools for maximizing productivity in timber operations. The Echo CS800P is a force in the chainsaw world. It is handling oversized logs with ease. With a sturdy design and a bar length suitable for handling supersized wood, this chainsaw has impressive cutting capabilities. Its engine, providing about 80 cubic centimeters of power, ensures fast and efficient cutting. The CS800P is the right choice for professional loggers and large wood handlers, demonstrating precision and power in every cut. Leopold mini excavators are intended for use on tractors with front loaders, tractors and forklifts with an operating load of 4 tons or more. They excel at harvesting mature trees, shrubs, windbreaks, or open forests with a diameter of up to 230 millimeters. With its compact design and precision, this mini excavator provides efficiency and ease in clearing vegetation. The Magni tree cutting crane is a powerful force in western New York, tackling the task of cutting down large and hard-to-reach trees and dealing with snow-covered trees in the winter. With a lifting capacity of 10 to 30 tons, this specialized crane moves efficiently through thick vegetation, ensuring accuracy and safety in tree removal operations. Conditions makes it a crucial tool for arborists and forestry professionals in the area. The WRC 1550AC demonstrates exceptional cutting capabilities, handling a wide variety of wood types with precision and power. With a processing speed of around 1,550 cubic meters per hour, it delivers impressive performance. Known for its efficiency and ability to work quickly, the WRC 1550AC is an essential tool in the woodcutting and processing industry at large lumber yards. The McCulloch 797 chainsaw efficiently cuts hardwood, easily handling large tree trunks like this oak tree with precision and speed. Its advanced technology ensures smooth operation even when faced with the most difficult tasks, such as handling these giant oak trees. We will now introduce another machine, no longer a woodcutter, but a CMUF grinder. It efficiently grinds and chops large trees with a capacity to crush and topple trees on a large scale. The advanced technology integrated into the CMUF crusher not only ensures smooth operation, but also minimizes waste, making it an environmentally friendly solution for forestry works. These specialized devices are designed to be attached to the boom of a small excavator. They have outstanding advantages in clearing grass, dense trees, and lighting forestry areas. With precise techniques, it brings efficiency in vegetation management. Capable of cutting through a variety of foliage types, it enhances the productivity of small excavators, making it an essential tool for forestry maintenance. How did a Scottish company become at the heart of the UK's firewood boom? They produce about 4,500 tons of dried firewood every year, using wood-cutting machines, and bring in a huge source of income thanks to the machines. The evolution of chainsaw technology and smart loggers integrates digital features to monitor and optimize cutting performance, improving efficiency and precision in forestry operations. Please leave a comment to let us know which machine you like best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to update notifications about the latest videos. See you in the next video.